Hello, future market experts. Welcome to our channel where you learn to master the stock market. Today, we will discuss an essential technical indicator, moving averages, and how to use them effectively. Let's get started. What is a moving average? It is an indicator that measures the average price of a stock over a specific period, helping to understand trends. Different moving averages serve different purposes. Today, we will discuss the use of the 10-day, 20-day, 50-day, and 200-day moving averages. Now, let's see how each moving average works and how to use it in trading. The 10-day moving average, 10DMA, helps understand the direction of short-term trends. It acts as a support and resistance level. When the stock price is above the 10DMA, it indicates an uptrend, and the 10DMA acts as support. If the price falls below it, it signals a downtrend. The 20-day moving average, 20DMA, generally acts as a resistance level. When the stock price is below the 20DMA, it is difficult to break above it. If the stock surpasses it, it may signal a potential uptrend. The 50-day moving average, 50DMA, helps identify short-term trends. When a stock is above the 50DMA, it reflects a bullish sentiment, while falling below it may indicate weakness. The 200-day moving average, 200DMA, helps understand long-term trends. If a stock is trading above the 200DMA, it is considered a strong uptrend. If the stock falls below it, it signals that the long-term trend may weaken. Here are some tips to make your trading more effective with moving averages. Use the 10DMA and 20DMA for intraday and short-term trading. Observe the 50DMA as a trend reversal signal. Use the 200DMA for long-term investing. Combine moving averages with other indicators like RSI and volume for better accuracy. And most importantly, always practice. Test your strategies in a demo account without risk. So, that's how you use moving averages. By applying these simple yet powerful techniques, you can improve your trading decisions. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you, and see you in the next video.